My name is Alex.
My name is Katie.
My name is Dinu.
My name is Joe. We're doing the HVAC program
At Greenfield Community College.
Funded by the Mass CEC. The HVAC program covers heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration.
Big old building, this is the system right here. They're teaching us the basics needed to get into the workforce, electrical work, how to read multimeters, wire circuits.
how certain switches work, how to recover the refrigerant. I enjoy doing that the most.
Sharon, she is a scientist. She's the person to go to.
I'm Sharon Cates, HVAC Grant Coordinator. We have an amazing team. They're learning installations, maintenance, plumbing, all of these skills that they need to begin their careers.
So what we're doing here is we're vacuuming down the pump to 500 microns or less. We are making sure it holds because if it expands, that means that there's moisture in the system or there's air, and we don't want that. In the HVAC industry, you're never gonna have a day that's just repeat. You're gonna have different problems, but having a good understanding is gonna help you. It's gonna bring you a long way.
I'm coming from the trade, and it's always cool because it's always something new. For example, if you do go into a house, you test the oil burner, look at how efficient it is. You could either tune it up or convert it to a mini split. Mini splits are electric, more efficient. You can use them for heat, for cooling.
In order for anybody to transfer to a cleaner fuel, they have to have someone with an oil burner's license to remove their tank, furnace, or boiler.
We've received our OSHA 10, the NATE Ready to Work.
The Nora Bronze for oil burners gives me the ability to work on them in Massachusetts, Vermont, and New Hampshire. Along with the program, the faculty have taken us for tours to look at the systems within our college campus. We got to look at the HVAC system, these really big components.
It was pretty cool to see the giant size of those and how much different commercial is from residential.
It was really neat to have them break it down piece by piece. It's changed the way that I've seen everything around me.
I find myself looking at furnaces, seeing if they're up to code.
Whenever I'm going down the street, I see a unit. I'm like, hey, I've seen the inside of that. I know how that works. And that's just awesome to me.
In the HVAC industry, there's so many different pathways that you can take.
I'm looking to establish skills that I can keep with me throughout my life and build my future as an adult.
I do plan on starting my own business, so all these certifications bring value to me.
I enjoy working hands-on and see a project that I've done when it's finished. With this trade, you can do that.
Believe it or not, the HVAC side, there isn't many people that want to do it, so it's definitely high demand and puts more value on you.
It's a really supportive, wonderful environment to work in. I hope our students feel the same sense of accomplishment that I feel for them, because just seeing how much they've grown is amazing.
It's just a great feeling.
I'm excited now.
It's just awesome.